It came! Did you get it from me, Bowser? What's up, guys? John here from The Invasion Show, back at it again with a different video. Now, the setup is different for a good reason. First, let me give a shout out to Nukem Dukem for selecting me as one of the 5 participants in the MSI Testers program, and a big shout out to MSI because today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be unboxing OPTIX MAG271CQR curved gaming monitor, folks. That's right, they sent me out a monitor for your unboxing pleasures. First things first, let's crack this bad boy open. Ooh, look at that. True gaming. Oh, this is exciting, folks. All right, ladies and gents, we have our goodie bag here. Warranties, quick start guide, of course, for those who are new to curved gaming monitors. This is something that you might want to look into. But of course, we're gonna put all this goodie stuff to the side. Let's see what we have here. We got some promotions. Okay. We have our power supply. This is what's gonna power our monitor, folks. We're gonna need this. We have our USB 2.0 cable. We have our HDMI cable here. Not sure if this is HDMI 2. I will let you guys know, of course, in the description down below. And we have our display port, very important if you want to get those 144 Hertz refresh rates. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to get inside the goods. Let's go. All right. Let's see if I can do this in one smooth motion. This is quite large. Anything inside the box that we may need. Nope, just extra packaging. That can go there. Woo! Ladies and gents, can you see that here? This is where we'll be mounting our curved monitor. This is the foot for the monitor. That's steel, metal. Okay, we do have screws, very important here. All right, let's take a look. The moment of truth, folks. And we have our protective wrapping, protecting our nice curved display. Oh, let's take it out. Okay. I don't think we need this anymore. Let's take a look. Look at that 1800 R curved. Let's take a look at that curve, folks. Wow. Keep in mind, this is a VA panel, ladies and gentlemen. It's the best between an IPS and TN. It's right in that sweet middle ground. Also, it's 1 millisecond response time. We have our monitor. So this is what's included in the box. We have our display cable. We have our power cable, so we're definitely going to be using this today. We have our HDMI cable, and we have our USB 2.0 cable. We have the foot. We have our little VESA mount here, and we have some screws to lock it all in place. Ladies and gentlemen, let's assemble the beast. All right. Now we're going to take our screws here, and we're just going to plant them down as well. And we're gonna screw these bad boys in. All right. Oh, wow. Look at this. The curvature is crazy. I can't wait to play. And it goes up and down, tilts forward and backwards. This is perfect. So with the MSI curved gaming monitor, we are decked out with a 2560 1440 resolution, followed by a high refresh rate of 144 Hertz with 1 millisecond response time. So all you fast Twitch gamers out there, get ready for the new Call of Duty because this monitor will be perfect for you. So this monitor is equipped with a gaming echo technology, is their RGB lighting system behind the display, which is a neat feature that it's adding a level of immersive gameplay to your gaming sessions. Let's not forget this has FreeSync, so it's AMD FreeSync ready for you guys to play. Frameless design, we went over this before, but I can't get over how clean the aesthetic is. Super minimal. I like frameless design. Keep it coming. Big reason why this monitor is appealing to me, because it's the adjustability. In my last monitor, that thing was wrecking my neck. I was always looking down. Now with the MSI curved gaming monitor, I can actually adjust the height and tilt it further down or up, you know, to my pleasing. Whatever I need, it can do. So this is gonna relieve some of that strain that I do have on my neck from long gaming sessions. I'm impressed with this monitor, guys. This is crazy. And I know I told you guys that I had a surprise this week. Well, this is it. This was the surprise. The MSI curved gaming monitor was sent out to me. Thank you, like I said, Nukem Dukem. Thank you, MSI, so much. I cannot wait to game on this. Long sessions of Rainbow Six Siege. I cannot wait. You guys, you have no idea what's in store for this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, you know what you can do. You can always keep it to yourself. And if you want to help support the channel for free, all you got to do is hit that subscribe and click on that bell notification. It helps me greatly. Ladies and gentlemen, this is quite the journey so far, and it's only getting better from here on out. I have a brand new monitor that I can play games on. I have this awesome little eyeball that you might see in future videos. But this is John from The Invasion Show saying peace.